Hello again, Lockpicking Paul here, and what I'm going to do tonight is a little bit of silliness inspired by HV Logic's picking challenge for his giveaway. So this is going to be a one-handed pick of a lever lock because I figured, could that be done? I wanted to give it a go. So this is not an entry, but it's more a case of that's inspired me to sort of pursue this a little bit further and see if I can do some more challenging locks. It was also added to by Tequila Dave, who saw me pick that Yale Superior, and he said, now do it left-handed. I don't think I could pick the Yale Superior left-handed, but I do want to pick a lock left-handed, and so I thought, right, I'll give a lever lock a go. So one-handed, left-handed lever lock, using standard tools. So I am not going to use anything other than the tools I would normally use to pick these locks. And let's see how far we get. And if I get this one open, maybe we'll try another lock. We'll see how we do. Right, so standard tools, one-handed, left-handed. I am a right-hander. Hopefully that should be obvious from my other videos. A slight problem, the tool fell out. Let's try again. Right. There you go. Right, let's see if we can get this. Actually, the light's a bit bad, isn't it? Can we improve the light? Maybe. Let's see. Right. This is not a particularly hard lock. I can feel the levers falling into place already. There you go. Right, so that is left-handed, one-handed on an ERA 975 insurance padlock. So that's a 5-lever padlock. I've got another lock lined up. So something a bit tougher, a Chubb Cruiser. This is a lock that will very readily overset. So I may have to reset this lock as we pick it. Yeah, it's better with my hand in the way, given the light. So let's try this. Now this is a benefit because this cruiser likes light tension, and you can't put a ton of tension with just one finger on that tension wrench. There you go. So that's a Chubb Cruiser open. Got to get my tool out now. Shall I try and do that one-handed? I'm not sure that's going to work. Right, come on. Actually, I'll tell you what, we'll come back to that one because I'm not using this tool for the next lock. I'll get that out in a minute. So, how about a 5-lever curtained mortise lock? This is quite a lot harder because this wants a lot of tension. And I will, if we get it open, I'll whip the lid off it just to prove I haven't pulled out any of the levers. The bitting in this is 64424, so not terribly hard bitting, but there's variance in there. Right, So different tool, homemade tool this time. And you've got to really get some tension. I'm going to use my other hand just to support the base of the... That lighting's no good at all, is it? Let's see if we can spin that around. Oh, it was on the max. That is why it wasn't going up. Right, okay, let's see if that's any better. Support the base of it. Not a lot better, is it? No. Hang on. Let's try. See what we'll do. Take that light off and we'll put it underneath. Maybe that's better. I don't know. Just goes to prove you should probably test this stuff before you do it. Will that work? Okay, you can see it. If I get it open, you'll see the bolt go. Moody lighting. This is quite a lot harder. Well, something went into a gate. There's no false gates in this. I'm not insane. Right, fingers killing me. Let's see if we can maintain the tension and now what does happen is this, you can overset it. And if that happens, everything goes dead. It feels like it's gotten that way already. If that happens, you sometimes have to just drop the tension a little bit. And that's enough to allow one of the levers to drop back down. Then the lock opens. So it might have happened here. We'll see. I'm not sure I've hit all of the levers yet. Maybe I have. Right, let's just quickly try that, see if that was it. Yes, I had done them. It was overset, just backed off the tension slightly, allowed a lever to drop, and the lock's opened. So yeah, right, I'm going to put the light back. So that is an ERA 975 Chubb Cruiser and a 5-lever curtained Mortise. All one-handed left hand. So yeah, can be done. And surprisingly, it's actually, it's not that hard. So I'll just whip the lid off of here just to prove I did have 5 levers in it. Obviously the 2 padlocks are riveted shut, so they're definitely going to have everything they had when they came from the factory. And I would say picking the Chubb one-handed is actually easier than picking it two-handed, because it like I said, it likes really light tension. So there you go, there's a 6 in there, a 4, another 4, a 2, and underneath that, as I said, is a 4. So yeah, a little bit different, bit silly, but but fun nonetheless, and quite good for improving the old motor skills. So I hope you enjoy that. Enjoy your picking. Cheers.